let's get into it, y'all, man. I'm excited. Let's go. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and hop into that kit that's off the website or the kit that you downloaded and hop into the loops. We're going to go to Watch Your Mouth. I'm going to put that on pad 5. Watch Your Mouth, pad 5. Kick. Go ahead and get that get low bus. And that's going to be for pad 1. Pad 2. Back up. Back up for pad 2. And for the hi-hat, we are going to go to hop. So pad 3 is hop. Let's go ahead and jump right onto this. And I know that this one is 133 BPM. So set your BPMs to 133. I'll set it with y'all. This time we might let the metronome go. We're gonna work with the pinchers and we're gonna hear the sample as the metronome. All right? Real simple. What we're gonna do is add a little snare there. If you don't have that metronome, you gotta be your own metronome. So let's get it. Follow along with me. Pinchers, let's go. That's it. Very simple. Very simple. Especially if you're on this lesson, it should be easy to you. So to go ahead and trigger the 2 pinchers, 2 fingers. Let's get it. Real simple. So I hope you guys were following along with that. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one, we're going to get right back into that hi-hat snare action. But we're going to get a little freaky on the snare. So let's go ahead and cue up the pad 5. And as I cue it up, you can either get the pinchers here, or you can cue it at the same time with one on the right, one on the left. And because what we want is follow along. And when you add those steps that we all learn, you got the hey, I'm telling you, practice that, practice that, practice that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's run it back again. I might add a little bit more of a drum variation in there. I won't get too tricky until the medium, but I believe in you guys. Let's get it. A little double. If you need that click track, to make it a little bit easier, instead of having it on the 16, we can make it a 1/8. So So I definitely hope you got that. Those are all the steps and things that we learned in the previous lessons so far. I'm proud of you guys. Moving on to the next step. I hope you guys are going on to that medium level first. It's going to turn up. The heat's turning up. It's going to be a turn up. I'm turning up on medium. Medium's going to seem like hard. So definitely get the basics down, and I will see you there. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, take it easy.